Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Analyzing Heart Rate Data Using Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python for analyzing and visualizing heart rate data. We will leverage popular libraries such as pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn to process, analyze, and visualize heart rate information. This tutorial assumes that you have basic knowledge of Python and have these libraries installed. Collecting heart rate data. Before we start coding, you need heart rate data. This could be obtained from fitness trackers, smartwatches, or any other devices that monitor heart rate. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use a sample CSV file containing simulated heart rate data. Setting up the environment. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install the required libraries using loading and exploring the data. Let's start by loading the heart rate data into a pandas data frame and exploring its structure. Basic analysis. Perform basic analysis to get insights into the heart rate data. Time series analysis. If your data includes timestamps, you can perform time series analysis. Advanced visualization. Utilize advanced visualization techniques for more comprehensive insights. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully analyzed and visualized heart rate data using Python. This tutorial provides a starting point for more in-depth analyses and customization based on your specific needs. Feel free to explore additional libraries and techniques to enhance your understanding of the data. Remember to adapt the code according to the structure and format of your heart rate data. Happy coding! ChatGPT.